Lecture 26, Counter-Arguments. Going back to the original essay question, you will remember that we need to discuss both views as well as giving our own opinion. Since we have already provided 2 body paragraphs in support of our opinion, it is time to introduce a counter-argument. A counter-argument is the acknowledgement that an opposite point of view exists. Counter-arguments make your position stronger, if used effectively. Earlier in this course, we planned out the counter-argument paragraph. Our initial idea was that museums may be expensive to operate and free museums require public money. In order to write the counter-argument paragraph, first think of some reasons why museums cost money to operate. Then think of some other useful ways in which public money could be spent. Pause the video now and write down some ideas. Did you think of similar examples as these? Although the paragraph acknowledges the opposite view, that is, that museums cost money, which could be spent on better things, we still need to rebut the counter-argument or say why it is not a good opinion. One way to do this is to argue that the cost of operating a museum is relatively inexpensive and would only require a small amount of public money. Now that you have a plan and some ideas for your counter-argument paragraph, you are ready to write it.